Yeah, he understands.
Master speaks English if he has no choice to translate.
Yes, I know.
Yeah, yeah. He
Dalam masa
surprised
yang
me.
sama belajar ya.
Hah?
Dalam masa yang sama boleh
Boleh ya,
belajar juga.
boleh belajar juga.
Yeah.
But last night when we were left, before we talked with him,
Yeah.
Master surprised me. I hear him speaking in English words, let's say in 10 words, 6 are English. Then I said, oh, Master knows mashallah. Should not use the
Mashallah,
gadgets.
mashallah.
Should not use gadgets to translate them after we talk. It's nice, mashallah.
Yes, mashallah. Nice. So you just stayed home the whole day?
Yes, the whole day we were home. Actually, not stay 21, so we stayed around. Just like this. And Master were coming, wife. Well, you spoke to her. She's very nice lady, honestly.
Yeah, I know. Yes, she's nice.
Very nice, very easy,
Yeah.
very
5
pure.
children also, mashallah.
Yes, mashallah. I saw them, I mean, the boys and the young.
Yeah. The first one is like Kadri's age also, same, right?
Yes,
17.
yes.
But there's his girl.
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
I saw from far yesterday when they.
Oh, nice.
Alhamdulillah.
Mashallah. Yeah.
Kami besok lumayan berbeda jam penerbangannya. Isa jam 2 ya.
Yes.
Iya,
Nah,
2.35.
Aku jam 8 malam.
If I knew I would stay till now.
Hmm.
Cannot postpone, no?
Yeah, cannot. And especially with domestic flights, you know.
They don't,
no
huh?
problem, no problem.
Babe, possible if I add some more money, maybe they can?
I'm not sure because I guess this is like availability or something like that, you know. It's a bit.
If you can to check maybe later,
I will see.
because I don't want to leave master alone, stay in the airport.
I know, yeah. And it's last minute too, so
Yeah, I know. This,
yeah.
just
But how will you go back to KL tomorrow? On your own or Anwar will
I think
send?
we go on our own. He will arrange taxi and we go.
Oh, like that.
Yeah, I think.
But when you reach KL, will you go to someone else's home first to
I
stay?
don't know.
Ya nanti diantar, mungkin ada yang sudah mengantar kita.
His own? No.
No, nanti tengoklah siapa yang nanti mengantar. Ada yang antar nanti. Nanti ada
Jadi
pengantar.
bila sampai di KL ke rumah
Tak
seseorang.
langsung aja, kalau besok langsung saja ke airport.
Oh, ke airport.
Go direct, huh?
Iya, go direct to airport.
Okay. Fire shop. Mommy,
Oh, that,
you check for me,
yes.
and if there is a possibility, I don't mind, so I can stay with Master, not together. You know what I mean?
I know.
Yeah, you
I
check it, inshallah.
Yeah, I will check it.
Yes. Because really, boy, I don't want to leave it, You check
Yeah, I know.
any possibility which is there,
Yes.
Because I feel I have to wait till I go 2 and 6 hours more,
Yeah, that's really
Just
long, 6 hours.
Check what can be done.
Okay, I will check. I will
Yes.
check online.
Yes,
Yeah.
inshallah. And all options you check and let me know.
Okay, I will.
Alright,
Alright.
perfect. Huh?
No worries.
Yeah.
I will
Because
check.
I want not to leave alone, Master.
I know, Miski.
If I knew, I'd buy ticket 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
Yes. You check, inshallah.
Yeah, I will check.
Yes, baby. And you can type after and let me know. Whatever you check, alright? So, we will be
Yes, I
awake around. Alright, baby.
Okay.
Anything you want to talk to Master, talk. No problem.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
I give you to
Yes,
talk.
alright.
Yeah, so
We-
later.
We talking, we just smiling.
Just laughing at each other.
Cheryl, you tell him what you told me today. You talking with each other or you just smiling at each other?
Apa
Iya,
itu?
iya tadi siang saya teks Isa, saya bertanya dia berbual dengan Pak Benny atau cuma ketawa aja?
Iya, jadi itu. Ini ada lagi kejadian yang lebih lucu ketika yang saya dengan orang Swedia itu ketemu di KL kan.
Iya.
Nah, lalu ketika itu kami sudah malam, penterjemah sudah pergi, jadi
Iya.
kami tinggal berempat orang. Saya, adik saya, terus ada murid lagi yang tak pandai bahasa Inggris, sama yang Swedia. Ketika dia lihat baju saya, baju yang ada gambar saya, dia
Iya.
tanya,
Iya.
itu ada dijual, kata dia kan.
Iya.
Saya merasa seperti itulah pertanyaannya. Lalu cuma saya jawabnya itu agak bingung. Saya katakan begini, oh no bawa sini, saya bilang gitu kan. Sambil saya memiliki perlihatkan gerakan menenteng sesuatu. No tenteng, kata saya. Lalu yang adik saya juga jawab gini, no jinjing gitu ya kan. Yang satu lagi jawabnya lain lagi. Akhirnya kami berempat ketawa semua. Sama-sama tahu lucu kan, sama-sama tak paham tapi ketawa semua. Jadi setiap ketemu ya itulah perbincangan, ketawa lagi.
Iya, memang lucu.
Lucu.
Yeah, he said when it happened with one that the Swedish guy.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, they were left together without the translator at night. Then Pak Benny was wearing a
Yes, the
t-shirt
blouse.
with his face on. Yeah, so then the Swedish guy was asking him, like, from what he could understand, do you sell that? Like, he think he wants to buy or something.
Yeah.
But he understood it differently and he said, no, underneath, no. Like, and then another one was like jumping and it was so funny. Like, each one of them have different interpretations of what that Swedish guy was saying, and in the end, all of them were just laughing.
Okay, there was no good translator around.
Yes, there was no at all.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah, funny.
So all they could do was just laugh about it.
Yes,
So
yes.
funny.
No, but we don't laugh. We are serious. We can understand each other or we stay silent.
Apa katanya?
Tell me
Yeah.
what I said.
Tapi dia kata dengan Isa kata dengan Pak Benny dia nggak ketawa-ketawa begitu banyak.
Iya,
Dia
iya.
bisa ngerti.
Iya, terkadang lebih banyak kami terkoneksi dalam komunikasi, walaupun komunikasinya itu sangat beda, tapi paham masuk,
Iya.
sesuai.
Yeah, that's what he said. With you, it's different. That even though somehow rather you both can connect and understand each other.
Yes, yeah.
Yes.
We have a different link indeed.
Yes.
It is like that
Mashallah.
special. Alhamdulillah.
Yeah.
Alright, baby, you can go and check that stuff.
Okay, maybe I
And
will.
meanwhile, eat something. Don't stay hungry.
Yeah. I will.
Yeah. And after you can text anytime. No problem.
Okay.
Well.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Take care. Fi amanillah.
Okay, fi amanillah. Selamat malam Pak Benny.
Selamat malam, terima kasih
Ya,
ya, senang sekali sudah melayani kami berbicara.
Oh, tidak.
Iya, senang sekali.
Terima kasih kerana sudi juga berbual bersama.
Iya, sama-sama.
Dan semoga besok perjalanannya ke KL dan juga kembali ke Indonesia semuanya selamat insyaAllah.
Amin.
Ya, semoga Allah melindungi perjalanan Pak Benny dan Isa dan juga Pak Benny kembali ke Indonesia
Iya,
insyaAllah. Amin.
insyaallah.
Iya, terima kasih Pak Benny.
Iya, sama-sama. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam
Warahmatullahi
Wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
She slept a bit.
Iya.